हावजिंग बोर्डाच्या केशींत सोमारा एसीबीत आपाचो सीएम कॅन्डिडेट एल्विस गोम्स हजर राविल्ले. एसीबीन एल्विस गोम्साची विस्तारान चौकशी केली. तांच्या बरोबर तांचे वांगडी सपोर्टर्स थंय पावले. पक्षाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी काढली एसीबी कार्यालयाचेर निदर्शनां. आरडेक्स गोवा ती पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, केजरीवाल केजरीवाल, भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, केजरीवाल केजरीवाल, भ्रष्टाचार पे दे झाड़ू, भ्रष्टाचार पे दे झाड़ू, चलचना रे चलचना, दादागिरी चलचना, 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 चलचना रे चलचना, दादागिरी चलचना.
Question on the procedures, the claim is that some land acquisition proposal, not proceeding, was dropped, and that I had a role in this whole thing. I have made it abundantly clear through my statement that has been recorded. It was an interrogation which statement has been recorded. Very clearly, it is record based. All records are there in place. Based on those records, I have answered and I am fully satisfied with what I have answered. ये तो चक्कर पॉलिटिक्स में ऐसा होता है. अभी ये लोग तो करके दिखा रहे हैं ऐसे, लेकिन I am not perturbed with this. I am confident. राजकारणात असेच असू शकता. I don't dispute that, and neither do I say anything about that. Notice आयल्या, I have faced them. I have come on the time when they called me. I have not sought any postponement because I am certain and confident that as an Aam Aadmi, I will be vindicated.
And whether you are asked, called again?
Right now, my presence will not be required so soon. If called, I am ready to face. There is nothing wrong. What is there behind this, I am not aware. As my role as the managing director of the then managing director of the Goa Housing Board, it has been made abundantly clear to the police authorities, that is ACB authorities, what my role has been, and I am confident that whatever role I have played therein has no incriminating role in that. It is above board.